This is Hunting and Fishing IO. We are back with another video. Alright, let's tell y'all a story right now. We had two does. They come right there. They was running up in the woods. They came right there. They run all the way down. The one doe was right here. The other one was over there. They didn't bust me just yet. Alright. And I killed this bad boy turkey, boys. Oh, I know it was a turkey! But yeah, I know it's clickbait. I was just kidding with y'all. I ain't good at clickbait videos. But I shot my arrow, and now I cannot find my arrow at all. It's like it just disappeared out of thin air. Yeah, I'm done turkey hunting. But it's like it disappeared out of thin air. And I know I shot it into the ground right here. I know for a fact I did. I might have shot it way out there and then freaking thing. I guarantee you that I did. Yeah, but right now we're just walking through my field, looking for a goddamn arrow, or maybe deer antlers, maybe a turkey head. I mean, not turkey head, but deer head. Something. Today, just something. Right here, you think there would be some deer antlers out here. I don't see anything. Yeah, guys, turkey hunting's really boring. There just ain't nothing fun about it. I think the deer's been really taking a note on this tree. Here as far as we'll go. Cause there's some turkeys in the woods. They was right back in there. The other morning when we heard them, yeah, my dad woke me up and said, "Hey, there's turkeys in the woods. If you want to go shoot them, go." I said, "I'm just gonna go work. Yeah, I'm bored. I'm not bored. I'm just tired." So, all right. 2 minutes later, he woke me up. So let's go. I'm like, "What?" There's some turkey sign sitting there. So at least we know. Right down there is my blind. Right here's where turkey sign is. So let's get 30-yard shot. There has been some pretty good does and bucks in here. Really, I'm not kidding. Pretty good size ones too. I swear I just shot that arrow into the freaking arrow. Alright guys, but we'll catch you when we get in the field and packed up. Alright guys, we're back. Now we're just walking on the stand right now with a bow. I only got one arrow left. Freaking course. But where I shot this one deer last year, I shot a lot of them last year and missed. But this one, I think I hit it. I have an idea where the arrow is. Where they plowed all this stuff. Started all crazy. I was gonna go look over here just to see. The arrow's probably tore up everywhere. It's scattered everywhere, I guarantee it. But we're just gonna go see anyway. I don't see anything. That actually means I hit that deer. The deer took off with my arrow. I don't care. But there's my turkey hunt video like I promised y'all. I want y'all to comment, like, subscribe. Leave a good comment. What should I be doing on these turkey videos, hunting videos? Share them to your friends. And we'll catch y'all in the next one.